All right, welcome back to another Premiere video. It's going to be an audio video today. So I've got the very popular track "Spring in My Step." It's been used. So if you don't know, that's a very famous YouTube track, and it's been in the audio library on YouTube for 10 years, I think. And remember, if you want to reduce the volume, all you have to do is just set your gain, so something like that, and you'll see the little waveform shrink in size. So what is the point of this video? Well, it's because of this new feature. So typically in this button here, you had ripple edit, rolling edit, and rate stretch. And now we have this new one called the remix tool. You may have also seen it when I was browsing the menu for the audio gain. It's also in there as well. All right. So what can we do with this? Well, basically we can use it to drag the length of any clip to match our video clip. So I'm going to make it kind of challenging for it. So this is obviously like a over 2 minute song, and I'm going to try and make it just last 20 seconds. Also because I think it'll be better for a video rather than trying to work out differences over a longer period of time. So we've got the remix tool. We'll make sure it's selected, and you can see. What we can do is we'll drag it and we'll make sure it matches that. So what happens then? Well, let's expand it out. Clip analysis, pretty quick. And now it should have a complete song in just 20 seconds. You'll notice it did actually expand it a little bit, and I'll talk into why it's actually done it like that. These things are all things that's basically sort of truncated these zigzag lines. So let's see how close it's got to actually that. That's pretty good, actually. That was pretty good. So that's actually, I think this is kind of like a use case where it's actually very. I don't think like truncating it from like a 10-minute song. There are some more options with this that I will actually speak about there. So you can see we've got method remix or stretch. So we've chosen remix. You could choose a target duration. So the target duration, I imagine if you let it do it itself, it says the actual remix duration may vary by up to 5 seconds. Normally it's about 1 second from what I can tell. We also have this customization, segments and variations. So with segments, that basically reduces the amounts of cuts, right? So you can see we've got, what, 4 cuts in there? So let's try and do higher amounts of segments here. Let's max it up to 10. So it should be doing, again, let's see how many cuts are there now. You can see many, many more cuts, right? So that's what segments does. And let's just take that one more time. All right, let's look at variations now. And again, we'll do something with the variations. Okay, then let's bump up the variations, see what that's decided to do with it. Like for instance, we did much lower on the, let's do like 0 on the variations just to see what that does. So thanks for watching.